Yo, we are starting off with Earn by Time today. The current rate is $17 an hour, and we got the first order just now. This is Jack in the Box going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Wowee. Total ended up being $4 and change. All right, I've been sitting here waiting for too long, so we're just taking this one. This is McDonald's, $13 going 8.5 miles. Excuse me? Excuse me? Is this 5AB?
Yes. Sorry about that.
Thank you. I really love when people don't answer their phones. Okay, I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to meet this person because, like, sitting in the parking lot and I'm staring at the face of, I think, 2 or 3 buildings right now, and I don't see any huge signs saying which business this is. And it said meet outside, so where the heck are you? I don't see you. Like, do you want your food or not? My guess is that there's nobody working here because it is Saturday and they accidentally ordered to their business instead of their house. Well, time to dispose of this food, I guess. Apparently the base pay on that one was $9, so just got the next order. This is going to be a Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Yeah, I don't even know what's going on anymore. At this point, I would expect a call asking what happened to their order, blah, blah, blah. But, like, nothing. So they probably ordered and went right back to sleep. Thank you. Total for that was $5 and change. That actually wasn't as bad as I was expecting. Not amazing, obviously, but like, they actually tipped. Short distance, took like 2 minutes. Just got the next order. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $16 going 7 miles. Looks like 6 items. Is that this?
Edit or cancel.
Hello. Quick question for you, actually. So I was at McDonald's like right before your order. I have a bunch of food that I don't need. Would you want any of that by chance?
By the way, do you want like a Gatorade or something for the
no.
or a protein drink or something?
I'm good, thank you though. There's like some hash browns. I think there's burritos. I don't really know, honestly.
Thank you, dear.
Yep.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good day. Good luck. Next order up, we're going to Victor Rico's. This one's gonna be going 7 miles. Thank you. Leave items at the door, please. Thank you. Smiley face. You got it. Smiley face. Total for that one was $12. What the? Why? I mean, I'm not even going to question it. Thank you. I take that why back. Thank you. Very generous. Also, I just now got the tip for that McDonald's. I didn't know I was going to get a tip because reasons. I got the next order right away. This one's going to be Canales Donuts and Cream. I think it said it was going 6.5 miles, something like that. Is this for Aaron? For Aaron? Yeah? Okay, thank you. Please do not knock, ... Total for that one was just under $8. It's a shop and deliver for alcohol. $28 going 9 miles, 3 items.
To check out, and when your order is ready, we'll bring your groceries and your prescriptions out while you wait in your car. Assistance at the premium liquor cabinet. There are
Can I scan that really quick just to make sure?
So do yourself and your family a favor and take home some blueberries
Yep.
today.
Do you want to take that to the front? Because I still need to grab 2 more things.
Yeah, I'll be with you.
Okay. Got this next order right away. This one does not sound good at all because it's not good at all, but it is going to take me pretty much into the center of my zone, so there's that. This is Taqueria Don Pedro. It is going 11 miles. Hello. Got a DoorDash for Michelle. Thank you. Okay, these are the types of orders that just don't make sense to me at all. Who orders from this far away just to get 1 burrito and some fries? Like, what? You've got to be craving this specific restaurant, this specific location. Total for that was $14. But we got the next order. This is McDonald's going 4 miles. Thank you. The total for that order was $7. Not bad actually. Didn't take too long. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This is going to be going 9 miles. Cringe.
DoorDash for Jeffrey.
Thank you. Total for that was $12. Current time is 10:18. Total, we are at 121. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.